Hey, humans of universe, software engineers of Bharat. I promised earlier that from now onwards we will be exploring the new C++ concepts quite regularly. Okay, and as promised by me, we have already discussed two new concepts in the C++ synchronization technique, that is barrier and latch. Now today I'll be discussing about another concept or another new feature in the C++20, that is called jthread. Jthread, that is actually J stands for joining. Okay, so the basic idea of jthread, which is nothing but a wrapper around the original std libraries thread. The term jthread is self-explanatory. It means that even if we don't join the threads, it will the joining will be automatically done, because this is being called before terminating the join method. Okay, and join method will be called in the destruction of each and every jthread object before terminating. Okay, so even if we forget to join a thread after creating it, still it will be safe and the program will not terminate. Now let me tell you what would happen if we don't call the join method explicitly while executing the thread. Okay, so here in this I'm using the old example which I have already demonstrated, and that is the latches. Okay, the discussion is already done. So here what you can see, here we have created 3 threads, and then we have commented out the joining methodology. Okay, that we haven't joined the thread after creating the thread. Okay, so let's see what will happen. Okay, in such a case. Okay, so let me go here and let me hang on. First I will have to save all, file and save all. Okay, and then what would I do? I will simply go and compile it. Let us see. So what we are trying to understand is why join is important in the old kind of thread. Okay, old school thread. Okay, so if I see this is if I see if I don't join the threads, see this is very important, terminating. So the program is actually being terminated, not properly done. Okay, so to overcome that, we have to explicitly join the C++ threads. Okay, so now let us remove this put, let us uncomment this part, and let's see what happens. Okay, in such case you will see that there won't be any problem. Okay, so if in the earlier case, when we haven't explicitly called the join method, see this is the terminate call without an active exception. This thing has happened. Okay, now we have already joined it, so let me save all. Save all is already done. So let me show you what will happen in this case. In this case, the application will normally shut down. Okay, application will normally exit. Okay, and then we will explore what will happen if we use the jthread. Okay, see there is no such exceptions. Okay, all students submitted their task, teacher is leaving the class, there is no exceptions, no termination. Okay, no termination. Okay, abruptly. Okay, now let us try to understand today's subject. Okay, so if we comment out this, that is the join, and let's, instead of normal thread, let us use the jthread. Okay, and you will understand the automatic joining part of the jthread, that is the new entrant new wrapper class around the thread. Okay, now we have created a jthread object. Okay, not the normal thread. Okay, now let's see, even if we don't call the join methods, you will see that it will run perfectly. Okay, so let's file and save all is done. So let's do that once again. Let's compile the code and let's see what happens. Okay, you will see that there won't be any termination. Okay, abrupt termination. Okay, so let's see it's normally everything okay. All students submitted that task, teacher is leaving the class, so no abrupt termination even if you don't join the threads. Okay, so it means that in the jthread in the destructor of the jthread, the join method is called before the termination method of the thread object. Okay, that's the beauty of the jthread. Now in jthread, yeah, joining thread, of course, that is the automatic joining, and there is another concept called cooperative interruption, which we will speak into the in the next video that I will make. Okay, so two aspects. One is the automatic joining. You have already seen that of automatic joining, and then next will be the cooperative interruption. Okay, so that's for today. I am enjoying my time exploring new C++ concepts, which I will pass the knowledge to my student community. Okay, Jai Hind and Jai Bharat. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.